baby though, man. Damn, dude, look, you all fucked up our pipe or something, man. Go to. Yeah, man. Is the camera on? Yep. First one. First one, man, biggin'. That little weekend, bro. Oh, big good. Oh, got my little wood. Let's see. Five. I didn't even when I was looking. My shit was like 12. Yep, 14. Exactly. 14 dot. That's 14 dot. It's a keeper. It's a keeper. We call this one off. Oh no. Baby though. Yep. No, go make it over. Oh my ankle. Right in. Yep. Oh, yeah. Might make it. Bubblegum color? Yeah, this dude. I saw Dustin have this one too. He got it from Jackie. Yeah. Oh, he choked that up. Yeah, he real hood too. Oh, I wanted this. Yeah, bro. Third one, second one for me, man. Maybe had one, dog.
Little one.
Oh, rock bass, dude. What the fuck?
Oh, big old rock bass.
Yeah, dude. You want to keep it?
No, I'll just throw it back. Unless you want to keep it, it don't matter.
Yeah, I didn't know that rock bass. So, yeah, we keep it, man. I'll catch more, we can keep it. Wait, sorry, here?
Throw it, no, that side. Yeah, that side.
Oh, come on.
Yo, come on. Oh. Come on, get out there. Go. Ah! Get out of there, buddy. There we go. All right, get in net. Kevin, get the net. It's a decent one. I'm gonna fight for a bit. That's because I'm a fighter.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Oh, come on. Get him. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I got it. Yeah, this guy's a keeper for sure. Nice little guy.
You're too fucked up. Oh, I still got him. We got one? Yeah. Baby one again, dog.
Fish is a fish, man. Hey, you can hammer those small ones so I can catch the big ones. You weed out the small ones and I'll get the bigger ones.
Go through enough small ones. Look how we're sitting on this weed edge over here. It's a drop. You got him like right in the gill plate, dude. The hard part. Look at that. Oh, yo. I took the hook out and I placed it in his gut. Oh, good one?
Small guy. No, it's a little guy. Wait, this little guy's a fighter. Got him. Top lip all day. That's what I like to see. Little small guy. Off the drop shot.
Perfect. Oh, see. Oh, told you, son. Damn, I set that shit cracking. Go cast over there. No. Fucker, dude. I know he see yours. You see a frog jump too?
Yeah. See a little turtle right there? Oh, came off, bro. Damn.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Fuck. Damn, my drag was fucking loose.
Look at this dock, dude. Ain't nobody been on this dock. Nobody been over this dock.
Damn, my drag was loose, man. Fuck.
You almost had it. That was a good ball.
Excuse my language.
Oh? Good one?
Come on. Get the net, get that. It's a good one, boy. It's a good one. Oh, this one's a fighter. Come on, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, this is a good one, bro. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on, stay on. Stay on, buddy. Come on. Come on.
That's a good one. Yeah. Like you want?
Regular. Told you, bro. It's a good one. Come on, come on. It's okay. No small guy, smaller.
Yeah.
They're right here, bro. We found them.
You got them on the side right there. That shit.
They ain't coming.
Perfect hook shit, bro.
A little guy. Open the camera. yeah.
Stop it.
Cho tụi thay
Well, they're going today, man. So the kids, dude, good luck. 1, 2. The kids have good luck, man. No, you should hold one both 2 hands.
Peyton, Noah, turn this way. Look, Uncle's camera.
My turn.
Good job, you guys. Good job.
I can't.
Okay.
Pay call 2 and I call.
Can you stop, bro?
Alright, put them back in there.
Để coi củi dạ ha. 3.